Hello, my friends. Pleased to be introducing myself. Name is Comrade Boris Xanovavych Santos III Jr. RNMDOOTD LOL. You can call me Boris Bigornia for short. Now for this episode, I have pretty cool thing to show you today. Now, this tiny terror has been around for centuries and is one of most notorious weapons in human history, as immortalized in multiple box office action films such as Lethal Weapon, Face Off, The Punisher, Kick-Ass, and most brutal movie ever made, The Fault in Our Stars. Somebody actually died. Boris Movie Critic gives it 3 out of 2 Lemoncitos. It is so feared that it goes by many names. The Badass of Batangas, the Slasher of Disaster, and the Blade of Darth Vader. The Philippine BALISOng. So let's rock and roll.
Your face lights up the sky on the highway.
Boris! This weapon is so delicately deadly that it fly like butterfly and sting like bee. Besides, nothing disregards safety like weapon that you can both kill and play with. Kids, please do not be trying this at home. I am professional Russian. Balisong is indeed beautiful and effective weapon system. Only problem is, it's old school. This is Dr. Kenneth Noisewater. Next generation Philippine BALISOng. As you can see, I have made modifications of my own using everyday household items like power vortex ring, focusing crystal activator, diatom power cell, and of course, latest in Jedi technology.
I added AA batteries. Don't tell anyone.
Now, as with any Boris invention, the Dr. Kenneth Noisewater is equipped with most venerable strobe lights for to be disco dancing. Well, looky here. The shitlord himself, Darth Vader!
In the flesh, folks. Or should I say, Boba Fett? I'm sorry, what I really meant to say was... Obese one? I meant Chew Bacon. Java the Rice. Yoda, fattest man I know.
You cut out my music. Now I cut out your heart.
Well, you, my friend, should cut out the carbs. Don't fight it. Join me in the dark side. Swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I wanna fly like an X-wing in the sky. I happen to like guys. For this scene and knows the king Simba. Ha ha ha! Prepare to die, Boris. What the hell was that? Oh snap! Time to go!
You've got nowhere to run, Master Vader. Prepare for final blow!
Blow on this! You asked for weapons grade force. I gave you weapons grade intercourse. Boris, I am pregnant, and you are the father. Ha! Gotti!